guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's video we will go to Cotabato, North Cotabato, and we will visit the place na affected ng earthquake. And yes, I will bring you with me, and perhaps you can see some areas na kailangan ng help. So yes, let's go!
We are now in the city, and as you can see, there are damages at Mang Inasal, and few shops here are already closed.
Guys, mga nang hotel guys. Oh. Dako kayo siya, di ay in person. In person niya. Wait, sa diya. Ayan siya, oh. Grabe. Laki pala. Ayan. Guys, money pension house guys, na close sila. Tapos nag-tent lang ilang staff there sa kilid. Pension house, tapos nag-tent yung staff dyan sa, sa harap. Yan yung tent ng staff. Ayan o. Hi guys, we are here sa evacuation sa Kidapawan. Ayun yung mga tent nila, oh. I don't know if visible dyan. Marami doon na part. Tingnan natin tong isang family. Ayun din. Unsa inyong mga balay tinangaguba dyan din yung balay? Guba, daghan mo dito? 600? 11 ka family. Malasilag. Mga landslide.
This time I asked Ate Marilyn if they are receiving assistance, and she said that they are receiving enough help. And they really needed help because when they came out from their houses, they are only bringing things that they are wearing, so it's very hard for them to cope up and or adjust, but they received a lot of help with regards to food and clothing. As of these days, it is not possible for them to go back to their houses because of the risk of landslide, and they have to stay here in the tents for several days or months until they are allowed to go back to their places. She is with her 7 sons and her father, who is also sick.
Guys, yun yung mga tent guys. Oh, sobrang dami ng mga tent dito.
Amigo kayo, Miniko.
This is the common scene in the area, and most of the residents are in the tents, and yes, most of them also are not settled in the evacuation area because of the space, perhaps, so they settled near their houses, but they build tents. And this is one of the evacuation areas. This is a covered court in one of the barangays in Cotabato City. And as you can see, there are a lot of evacuees here.
Sa kakuan ba?
Manang bukid nga na, gibalita man ni diba nga bukid? Sa TV lang.
Ay, namatay na.
Along the road, you can see similar scenes, like some tents built beside their houses or their damaged houses. So there are some that the roofs are already in the ground, so it is not possible for them to stay inside the house. Also, there are some that are wounded, and you can also see them along the road. After that, we went to the school where my husband studied for theology, and most of their buildings are also greatly affected by the earthquake.
Nag-start na ang kuwana, may prayer, basa sa Bible. Second song, dito nag-start, ano tayo yun? Bilok, mga passive eh. So, wala, nag-run out. Pagkatapos, wala daw. Nagkana na mga babae, first win, hindi na yung antay ba? So, wala dito ba na yun? Pagkabuntag na one ng awarded. Then after that, pagkaupma, ulit na sila. Kasi celebrate naman pagka-17. Transport na, okay na. Pagka-29, ito, another na po nga linom. So, ang sa 16, maragula kayo sa mga damages. No, awas mo ka may mga cracks. Pero pag 29, visible na.
Cracks.
So, pag 31 na po, kami na lang dire, kamay na ng tao sa campus. Kung gano'n na naligo ko sa 31. Sabi ko naka-ilis, diretso na nagubo naman. Pag kalma na. So dito na ang dako ng mga damages na makita karon.
Na may building diri pas na dili na jud masudlan.
Ang ladies dorm.
Ladies dorm.
Oh, covered court. Ang covered court, nag-stop sub. Kaya ang mga poster mo yung marag
Nahiwi,
safe na siya.
Ang ladies dorm, pastor, dili na siya ma-restore. I-rebuild gid siya.
O i-rebuild siya or total gid siya nga rehabilitation time nila ano. Another need there is water system reservoir. Na nagkuba man na itong reservoir din na. Ano, gusto ginamit pa demolish na pero kaya wala available nga ito ang gobyerno tungkol sa kabisi nila dahil mas na-prioritize nila ang rescue. Ang chapel po, i-evaluate sa engineer, risky kayo ang chapel sa taas, sa kanong floor, labi na maglinog. Fence na to, kaya nangagawa ka man. So temporary lang sa nga fence.
Yes, diri sa sila temporary nagstay ang mga staff. Ayan. Na sila yung tent diri. Ang morning Bible school. Na ay mga some parts ang ladies dorm dili na siya masudlan. Guys, mao ni ladies dorm guys nga naguba gid siya. Tapos dili na siya masudlan. Tapos ayan. May mga tiles. Na ay mga tiles guys, nag-crack gid siya. It's medyo delikado. Ha? Tapos yan guys, oh. Mga crack. Medyo scary man masulod. Sulod ta guys. Margula na yung tao dali sa sulod. Tapos yun yung mga ano nila guys, so sobrang nakakatakot. Nag-crack na siya. Yeah. Tapos yun. Okay. Wala Abandoned na siya, guys. Tapos yun, crack sa mga walls. Ayan. Hindi na ako papasok kasi kakatakot, baka mag-shake.
Ako na akong kuan. So ang Michael si Michael. Ini boleh ako bakit na. Wow, di mo na.
Close na siya, guys. Mga tinda na sa loob lang. Kasi mag-crack na siya, automatagilid na.
Tanak ko to Michael.
Ayan.
Hama ko na ba? Ano pit na